guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a divine spot. We are in one of the world's most famous tourist spot in Goa, Bom Jesus Basilica. This place is famous for holding the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is located in Old Goa, which is the former capital of Portuguese. Construction work on the church began in the early 1594. And this church was consecrated in May 1605. It was an amazing feel. The peaceful and calm ambience takes you to a world of divine. Feel blessed? Do come here. So found a secret beach in Goa. It is called Holland Beach. Very near to Bogmalo beach, you will come across this beautiful beach which is very tiny and not at all crowded. So you can have very nice fun-filled time here. To sign off from Goa. As always, Goa has given us lot of memories to cherish and flaunt. We are going to miss this place a lot, but surely we'll be back here. So you guys don't miss Goa. Definitely plan a trip to Goa. Thanks for watching all my Goa series. Hope you guys like watching these videos. Do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with some other exciting episodes.